All the way to the goal. Reacting up in some guys that way. Third. Immediately passes the driver from Joseph Thousand Keys on the outside. And goes to scrum. Trying to win his goal is the final goal. And also Anthony Tucker to get out of contact. But more and more. What a great start to have. What a great finish with Mackie. Keep them like whole round breakthrough. With Felons in lane 7 on the outside. And a lane rally from Gunter. Only place from second. Felons winning 23-5. And Gunter on Jamaica College getting second, 23-14. And the win reading possibly 2.8 meters per second. Robinson third, 24-14. Calabar Jeremiah Robinson third.